Hi guys, Ruchi from Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm in zone 9B and it is the month of February, and you can tell that this is the season for daffodils to bloom. And the best part is that you can plant them out in the open, and if you have deer in your area, they won't touch them. So today I'm going to talk about how to grow daffodils and take care of them. Daffodils are a hardy perennial in zones 3 to 9, and they keep coming back year after year. You plant them once and you enjoy them every single year in early spring. So, the best time to plant daffodils is in fall, and they bloom in early spring. They come in multiple colors, basically a combination of white, light yellow, dark yellow, and sometimes orange too. So daffodils like lot of sun. So plant them in an area where it gets lot of sun in winters and in early spring, because you know the sun changes direction. So you have to make sure that it gets sun in early spring and in winters. So always plant them in clusters, because you know one or two flowers blooming, they don't look that good. And the rule of thumb is that the bulb should go in the soil as deep as the size of the bulb. So if the bulb was 2 inches tall, you want to put the bulb 4 inches deep, because then you know over the bulb there will be 2 more inches left. And if it snows where you live, then plant them 3 times as deep as the height of the bulb, because you know if the ground freezes, then the bulbs may not survive the winters. So plant them about 2 to 3 inches apart, and as years pass by, you know they will develop more bulbs. So you don't want it too congested to start with. So just take a bulb and plant it the pointed side up. Even if it goes sideways or even upside down, it doesn't matter. You know the sprouts always find a way to go up. But you know it is best to plant them with the pointed side up. Cover it with rich and loose soil and water it, and then keep watering it, because that is important. Once you have planted the bulbs, keep watering it, say every week, so that the soil is a little bit moist. It shouldn't be wet all the time or sitting in water, because then the bulbs may rot, but the soil should be moist. Within a couple of months, they will start to develop shoots, and they'll keep growing, and they'll start to develop buds and then the flowers. And these flowers make good cut flowers. You can cut them and place them inside, and they stay for a week or so in just water. Once the flowers are spent, cut the flower stem but leave the leaves as they are, and continue watering it, because this is the time when leaves will store energy in the bulbs for the next season. And at this time also start fertilizing them with phosphorus rich fertilizer every 2 weeks. And once the leaves start to turn yellow or brown, you can stop watering them, and you can also cut the leaves away. Now they are done for the year, and then in next winters they'll start to sprout again. So it is pretty straightforward. You plant them in a place where you get a lot of sun, and from winter onwards start watering it. Then they will start to sprout and develop flowers. Once the flowers are spent, you cut away the flowers and keep watering them, and now start fertilizing them. And once the leaves die, you cut the leaves away, and then you are done for the season, and then the next cycle begins again. And year after year they'll keep coming back, and they will develop more bulbs, so you will get more and more plants. I love daffodils. You know they are deer resistant, and you don't have to take care of them as much. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.